Hello and welcome. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video, we are discussing about Java, method in Java. So in general, a method is a way to perform some task. Similarly, the method in Java is a collection of instructions that performs a specific task, and it provides the reusability of code. We can also easily modify code using methods. So in this section, we will learn what is a method in Java, types of methods, method declaration, and how to call a method in Java. So what is a method in Java? So a method is a block of code or collection of statements or a set of code grouped together to perform a certain task or operation. And it is used to achieve the reusability of code. And we write a method once and use it many times. We do not require to write code again and again. It also provides the easy modification and readability of code just by adding or removing a chunk of code. So the method is executed only when we call or invoke it. So the most important method in Java is the main method. So method declaration. The method declaration provides information about method attributes such as visibility, return type, name, and arguments. And it has 6 components that are known as method header. Method declaration: access specifier public, return type int, method name sum, parameter list int a, int b. So public int sum int a int b, total called method header. Then the method body, method signature. Method signature. Every method has a method signature, and it is a part of the method declaration. It includes the method name and parameter list. Access specifier. Access specifier or modifier is the access type of the method, and it specifies the visibility of the method. Java provides 4 types of access specifier. First, public. The method is accessible by all classes when we use public specifier in our application. Private. So when we use a private access specifier, the method is accessible only in the classes in which it is defined. Protected. So when we use protected access specifier, the method is accessible within the same package or subclasses in a different package. Default. When we do not use any access specifier in the method declaration, Java uses default access specifier by default, and it is visible only from the same package only. Return type. Return type is a data type that the method returns, and it may have a primitive data type, object collection, void, etc. And if the method does not return anything, we use void keyword. Method name. It is a unique name that is used to define the name of a method, and it must be corresponding to the functionality of the method. Suppose if we are creating a method for subtraction of two numbers, the method name must be subtraction, and a method is invoked by its name. Parameter list. It is the list of parameters separated by a comma and enclosed in the pair of parentheses, and it contains the data type and variable name. And if the method has no parameter, left the parenthesis blank. Method body. It is a part of the method declaration, and it contains all the actions to be performed. It is enclosed within the pair of curly braces. Naming a method. So while defining a method, remember that the method name must be a verb and start with a lowercase letter. And if the method name has more than two words, the first name must be a verb followed by adjective or noun. And in the multi-word method name, the first letter of each word must be in uppercase except the first word. Single word method name, sum area. Multi-word method name, area of circle, string comparison. It is also possible that a method has the same name as another method name in the same class. It is known as method overloading. Types of method. There are two types of methods in Java: predefined method and user-defined method. Predefined method. In Java, predefined methods are the method that is already defined in the Java class libraries. Is known as predefined methods. It is also known as the standard library method or built-in method. We can directly use these methods just by calling them in a program at any point. Some predefined methods are length, equals, compare to, sqrt, etc. When we call any of the predefined methods in our program, a series of codes related to the corresponding method runs in the background that is already stored in the library. Each and every predefined method is defined inside a class, such as print method is defined in the java.io.printstream class. It prints the statement that we write inside the method. For example, print Java prints Java on the console. So let us see an example of predefined method. Demo.java. Public class demo. Public static void main string args using the max method of math class. System.out.print. The maximum number is plus math.max 9, 7. And the output is the maximum number is 9. In the above example, we have used three predefined methods: main, print and max, and we have used these methods directly without declaration because they are predefined. The print method is a method of print stream class that prints the result on the console. The max method is a method of math class that returns the greater of two numbers. We can also see the method signature of any predefined method by using the link docs.oracle.com. When we go through the link and see the max method signature, we can find a public static int max int a int b returns the greater of two int values same value parameter a argument, b another argument, returns the larger of a and b. In the above method signature, we see that the method signature has access specifier public, non-access specifier static, return type int and method name max, parameter list int a, int b. In the above example, instead of defining the method, we have just invoked the method, and this is the advantage of a predefined method. Makes programming less complicated. Similarly, we can also see the method signature of the print method. So this was a brief discussion on Java, and we will be discussing more on Java in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.